I booked a flight on United Airlines and they were going to charge me 15,000 points, but I was able to use just 7,500 points and $5.60 instead. I was able to save my valuable Chase points and use fewer Capital One miles by booking through Turkish Airlines. And this flight would have cost me $300 in cash otherwise. And so this program, Turkish Miles and Smiles, is a bit difficult to navigate. So I'm literally going to hold your hand and you're going to come with me as I book this flight. I'm even going to let you listen in on some of the phone call. That's right, you know it's tricky whenever you gotta hop on the phone and talk to someone. And so the reason this is all possible is because United Airlines and Turkish Airlines are part of the same airline alliance, Star Alliance. Say that 10 times fast. And now airlines, you can just think of them as partnerships, cults, gangs, whatever. And so I'm able to use one of their frequent flyer programs to book flights on the other's airplanes. And so in this instance, I'm gonna book a flight on Turkish Airlines, but I'm gonna be flying on a United airplane. And this is great because Turkish frequent flyer program has much better prices than United's in most cases. And then in terms of earning Turkish miles, I'm not going to fly on Turkish Airlines anytime soon, but Turkish Airlines is a transfer partner of Capital One, Citi, and Bilt. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to book this flight using Capital One miles I earned with my Capital One Venture X card. So first, let me show you how to make your account on TurkishAirlines.com. So you simply go to the sign up here, and then you complete your regular information like you would. And then the thing I want to bring to your attention is this password format here. So it tells you that your password must consist of 6 digits and that it cannot contain your date of birth or 3 consecutive digits, and the same number cannot be repeated 3 or more times. Now this could be a little confusing, and it's going to be a random number because it takes up all the main numbers that you would take, but it is important that you remember this, you write it down, use a password manager, whatever you got to do, because it will come up later on in the booking process. And so now that we've created our account, let me show you how we've went ahead and found the flight that we were wanting to book. So we're going to start on points. Yeah, me and Maddie decided to take shorter, cheaper weekend vacations. Even with our wedding looming, we just like to fly from our problems. Don't judge us. So we're going to fly to San Francisco on this Friday through Sunday period here, and we're going to search. Points, yeah, quickly brings us all of our results here. We see this super sweet 7,500 Turkish Miles and Smiles deal, and we think, heck yeah. Or should I say points, yeah. So we hit our view booking options here, and it gives us the option to go ahead and transfer our points, but you never want to do this. You'll always want to search yourself for the award availability on that website first. So we're going to go ahead and click this link. And points, yeah, makes it easy because it takes you directly to the award search booking page. And so you'll first have to log in. So I'm going to do that real quick. So it'll take you to this page. You're going to hit Star Award Ticket, and then we'll just type in that same flight information that we found. And so if this is your first time booking through Turkish Airlines, which it's mine, and I'm assuming it's yours too, since you're watching this video, it gives you this alert here saying that your first award ticket can only be issued for you only. If you book for someone else, then you're gonna need to call them. And so this alert is actually on the Points Yeah website. I just didn't point it out earlier. So I'm just gonna search for one person just to find that award availability and make sure it's there. Okay, so it then brings us to our results page here, and then we can see the flight that I wanna fly. And then if you select there, it'll show you the details. You can select this flight, and it'll even show you the price if you wanted to confirm that. 7,500 miles, $5.60. So now I know the award space is here and I can confidently call them and go ahead and try to put a hold on that reservation. So I'm going to call to put the hold on the reservation before I transfer my Capital One points, because it can actually take 24 hours for your points to hit your account. And at any point that award space can just go away. Now before I call real quick, I want to tell you that whenever I first did this search, before I hit record, it actually showed me some type of error message saying there's no flights available for this day at all. I thought that was weird. However, it's not uncommon because Turkish Airlines is real glitchy about showing all the award space that's actually available to them online. And there is a way around that to see the award space that should be available to them outside of their website. And we do that via United's website. Let me show you how to do that real quick. So all you have to do is just get on United's website, search in the dates that you're looking for, and then just make sure that the flight you're interested in says Savor Award right here. And so if it doesn't say Savor Award like this flight, then you're not going to be able to book it on Turkish Airlines. And so even if the flights that you're interested in don't show up on Turkish's website, but it is on United's website as a Savor Award, you should be able to call them up and ask them if they see this flight award availability and then book it over the phone. So let's go ahead and give them a call now. So I gave them a call at this number on the screen, and I'll put it in the description below for you, and they introduced themselves.
Welcome to Turkish Airlines Customer Services.
And then I got a phone tree and it asked me to dial in my membership number. I misdialed it twice somehow. That pushed me to another phone tree, and then I just selected reservations from that menu. And then after a few announcements and notices, I eventually got to a human, and that's when I said, Hello, my name is Michael. I am trying to check to see if y'all have an award ticket available and then put a hold on it if possible on a United Airlines flight. And I gave him the flight information, the arrival airport, the departure airport, the dates, 2 passengers, 1 way. He then listed all the different times available on that date. I selected the one I was interested in, and then he told me,
yes, there's availability and there's more than 9 places left there.
Awesome. Okay, great. Could I put a hold on 2 of those flights and then I can transfer the points over and give you a call back?
Okay, there's no problem there.
He confirmed that the hold was good for 72 hours, and then he collected my email, my passenger information, and then my fiance's information as well. And then he emailed a confirmation letter with the reservation code that I can call back with. He then told me the ticket rules, which included that it cost $70 in order to cancel the flight or change the flight and get your points back. And the entire call took about 11 minutes, which isn't too bad in my book, to be honest. And so now that I've got the reservation on hold, now I'm ready to go ahead and transfer my Capital One points. So now to transfer my points, you just log into your Capital One account. You'll hit this travel icon on your credit card rewards. It'll take you to this screen, and then you just simply have to go to convert rewards. You select this, and then it'll take you to this screen here. I'll show you all their travel partners that they have, and we're gonna look for Turkish Miles and Smiles. So you hit transfer miles, put in your membership number, and then it'll ask how many points you want to transfer, and this is 15,000 points we're going for. And then do note here that all transfers are final. Rewards will be transferred to your loyalty program within 24 hours. And then we'll just hit complete transfer. Let me just want to be sure I put 15,000 not 150,000. Okay, complete transfer. So there you go, there's my confirmation number, and I'll get an email within 24 hours as soon as the transfer is completed. My points hit my account approximately 15 minutes after I transfer my points, so it's definitely not instantaneous, and I wouldn't really want to wait on hold with an agent for that long. And so I called the next day and I said, hello, yes, my name's Michael. I have a award reservation on hold that I was trying to go ahead and complete now that I have the miles in my account. I gave her the name of the passengers, and I entered my credit card information via the keypad on the phone, and then she said something that I didn't expect. She said I needed to show my credit card at the front desk of the airport at the United check-in counter. And I just said, okay. And then she sent me to an automated tool to enter my PIN code. And I was like, what PIN code? But it ended up being my password. And so the 6-digit password that we made at the beginning of the video, that's also your PIN code, and you'll have to enter that whenever you make a booking over the phone. After that, she was able to complete the booking. I got an instant text message and email with the reservation information, and she made sure to confirm that I did receive that before disconnecting on the phone with me. That was that, just a 10-minute phone call, not bad at all. And so from here, a pro tip would be to take that reservation code from that email she sent you, go within your United app, go to My Trips, find trip, and then put in that reservation code. It'll pull up that flight, load it into your app, and so that way you have easy access to it. You can select your seats on the flight. You can also make sure to add your known traveler number for your TSA pre-check. Don't want to show up at the airport forgetting to put that in and go through regular TSA line. Nothing more defeating than that. And so that's the full booking process. From here on out, I should be able to book these flights online through Turkish's website for me and Maddie. And then just to summarize the process one last time for y'all. First, make sure to like this video if it's been helpful for you, and then you're going to look for flight award availability, whether it be via points, or checking on United's website and finding that Saver award space. Then you're going to call Turkish Airlines, confirm that award space, and put a hold on it. Then you transfer your points over to Turkish Airlines. Once it hits your account, call Turkish back, make that award booking, and then make sure to add it to your United app for safekeeping. So from here, if you want to learn how to do something similar but with American Airlines flights, then check out this playlist I made for you featuring that video and other redemption videos that you might like. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about credit cards and how to earn points and miles, check out this playlist I made for you of all my favorite cards. And my name's Michael with Nurse Michael Travel. Subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next one.